Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That. Today we are cooking by the lake. Since we're cooking out by the lake, we have our portable pellet smoker called an ASMOKE, and today we're cooking some chicken wings. We have 20 wings here. I'm gonna take some BaconUp, and it's been sitting out in the sun, so it's liquefied, and I'm gonna pour some on here as a binder. I'm gonna get that BaconUp mixed around on all the wings. For my rub today, I'm using the combo scorpion steak from Lane's Barbecue. It's become one of my favorite all-purpose rubs. Get some on there and mix them around. These are pretty large wings I got from Sam's Club. I have my temperature set to 250 degrees, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the wings on. This is the ASMOKE smoker. It's a pellet grill, so you can see the pellets in here. I'm gonna push them down. You can see the guard here, so you can't get your hand down by the auger. Got the wings on. Got the settings right here where I can change the temperature. It's a little hard to see on camera, but I have it set at 250 degrees. It's currently 247. It'll eventually stabilize right at 250. And in here you can add liquid in the pan on the left, and then the pan on the right is what catches all of the ash so it doesn't fall out of the bottom. I'm gonna let these roll for probably about an hour total. I'm gonna flip them after about 30 minutes just to make sure the bottom side's not getting too hot. I've never used this smoker for smoking. I've used it for grilling before. We'll see how it all turns out. Let's take a little tour of the back of the smoker here. So it has a standard power cord, the same kind you would find in a computer. In the back, it's got a little vent right here. And then on this side, it has a grease tray. So the way it's made inside, all the grease should run down to this end. And we currently have the power run all the way down to the pump house for the irrigation system. I've had them smoking about 45 minutes at 250, but I just turned it up to 400 degrees to go ahead and get them finished because the other food has arrived and the guests want the wings done. So we're gonna turn it up to 400 degrees and get them nice and crispy and then pull them off. It's up to 400 and the deflector is still completely closed. You can see that our wings are starting to crisp up a little bit. The right end down here where the deflector doesn't quite reach the edge gets a little hotter. So I did burn one of the wings, so now I know to keep things away from these two right grooves on the grate. But this one's doing fine right here next to it. So we're gonna keep these closed down and let them crisp up a little bit more. I'm gonna flip these over one more time so we get that good crispy skin. The wings are now done. You can see the nice color on them. I'm gonna take off the ones that are done. The flats always finish faster than the drum. We'll leave the drums in the center to crisp up a little bit more. I opened the heat deflector completely open to crisp these up because my father-in-law likes them well done with the crispiness on the outside. So we're letting these get a little bit of flame kiss on them. The wings are done. I already ate 2 of them. They're nice and smoky. Got a good char on some of them. Let's eat, y'all. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.